question. Chrome Horsepower Festival. Doesn't matter, toots. We're in this. Next up is Jezza. It is Jeremy Coleman in the Nissan Skyline. Now he tells us on paper this car's been parked up for 3 years and it's a shit box. Let's go, Jezza. Come on, Meremere! The shit box wants your attention! Give it to him! Send it! Come on, I want to hear all you RB fans in the crowd. Show some Nissan love. Let's go! Encouragement, energy, fingers in the air. We want you to feel the love tonight here at Napa Auto Parts Dragway. This is the Scorched Earth Burnout Pass here at the Summer Nats Burnout Competition. Make some noise! You can actually still see the dust is pretty thick, so I think it has been sitting around for a little while. Oh, it's really thick, you can actually scoop it up. Stop it! Look, there's all sorts of points criteria when it comes to the burnouts, including crowd participation, the tipping, pumping tires, the length of time you go to do it, but also the use of the burnout pad. And this chap here is doing a bang up job using every part of the pad himself. It's either doing a drift competition or a burnout competition. Who knows? He's out there having fun, people. Make some noise! Chief Judge Matt is all about the points. He doesn't care what the car is. We took Ryan Shirtcliffe with the V6 last year over to Summer Nats. Doesn't matter, all about the points. Glowing exhaust there too, Toots. Things are starting to get a bit hot underneath. Maybe a little bit of bang bang at the wrong end. Be careful how you say that. Entertainment. Here we go in the crowd. Give it up for Jeremy Jezza in the mighty Skyline.